Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. So this week we are going to learn some advanced office skills as I mentioned last week. So this week we will learn three main office softwares, which are Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. You will have the chance to learn some advanced skills to help you to use them well in the future. So in this week we have 7 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this video, and the second one is to download the Office software. So if you have not those software is installed on your computer, there is a link for all of the students in the University of Minnesota to download those softwares free. So if you have any question for the downloading, you can just send an email. I can help you with that. And in the task 3, we will going to start learn those 3 softwares. The first one is Microsoft Excel. I found 2 websites and 2 videos for providing very detailed introduction for all of the advanced skills. So in this task, you will need to learn at least 3 skills or tips and you have never used before, and also you need to try them in your own software. And in the task 6, you need to share you need to share a snack reflection. So in task 4 is for the Microsoft Word. So I only found 1 video for the tips and tricks in the Microsoft Word. So in this task, you need to learn at least 1 tip and skills, and in the task 6, you need to share the screenshot of your products, and also in order to help your future academic writing. So I think it's a great chance for you to learn something about the APA style and MLA style by using the Microsoft Word. So those 2 videos can help you something about how to use Microsoft Word to use the APA and ML style. So in the task 5 is also a very important tool is Microsoft PowerPoint. So it's very important for students to do the presentation. So in this task, I found a video and also a website to provide a very detailed introduction for all of the advanced skills. So in this task, you need to learn at least 2 tips and skills, and also in task 6, you need to share the reflection. So task 6 is only about the snack reflection. So you need to share your reflection in the Snack Office channel. So one thing to note is that you only need to share 1 document, and also you need to put all of the pictures, all of the screenshots in one document. So there is one example. So I can open the example for you. So this is the example I created for you. So you can just design your reflection like this, or you can design it another way. It depends on you. Just make sure you have a very brief introduction to all of your skills and make other people understand what you are doing, why you are using this skill. So task 7 is about the final. So next week is week 8, which is also the last week of this course. So you only have 2 weeks to finish your final, because it is the summer session. So we only have 8 weeks. So I think it's a great time for you to start working on your final or keep working on your final. So if you have spare time this week, you can use some more time to finish the final. So please remember the deadline of the final assessment is next Friday, August 2nd. So if you have any question for the final, please send an email to me. I will reply as soon as possible. So that's all for week 7. If you have any questions, send an email to me. I will reply it. So thank you so much for your hard working, and see you next week. Bye.